Hello everyone, my name is Rashid Salim. In the beginning of the video, I would ask you two questions. First is, are you a tailor? If yes, and do you want to manage your customer measurements and orders in better way? If your answer is yes to both of these questions, then this video is for you, and we have made an app for you which is named as Tailor Keeper app. This app will provide you these features. Number one, customer measurements management. Number two, order management. And number three, summary of income and orders daily and monthly wise. So let's start with the brief overview of the app. In this app, uh, new customer came to you, so you can first. Yes, so in first you need to register that customer. In customer registration section, you need to provide the first basic information of the customer, which is customer name, phone number, city or village, and after that you can write all kind of customer measurements here. And after writing all kind of measurements, you can register that customer. And after registration of customer, you can uh, store the order of that customer in the app. So to place the to record the order in the app, you need to click on new order button. And this is a three-step process. In first step, all of the customers will be shown to you, and if you have too many customers in this list, then you can search your customer by its customer number, name or phone number. So after searching that, if you find your customer, and then you can click on it. And all of the this is the first step. And the second step is, you can see all of the customer measurements here. And to verify that, and if you want to edit any measurement, then click on edit button. And you can edit all kind of customer measurements here. After editing, you can click on update button. And next step is basic order information, which is delivery date. And after that, number of pieces, piece rate, number of pieces 6 to 30, then 3600. And advance payment, if you want to receive any kind of advance payment, so let's say 1000. And the remaining payment is 2600. Order status by default is pending. If you want to write any kind of note with that orders, then you can write it here and submit it. So this is the basic summary of the order. And click on OK. And if you want to work on orders, so you can see all of the orders in order management. In order management, there are three sections: pending, completed and labeled. In pending section, all those orders will be shown to you which are not started yet. You don't have started work on those orders yet. So you can see all of the orders here in pending section. So I click on any order, and all of the order detail will be shown to us. Total pieces 6, advance payment information, all here. So if you want to start cutting off that source of that order, so you need customer measurements. For that, you can click on customer measurement button, and all of the customer measurement will be shown to you. So you can cut the suit, do suit cutting according to that measurements. After that, the stitching process is needed. And when the stitching process is completed and the suits are ready, and you have packed it to deliver to the customer, so you can change the status to the completed section and update it. So that means order is successfully completed, and you have packed it and delivered to the customer. So order is completed, so you can see completed orders in completed section, and whenever any customer came back to receive its order, then you can see that completed all of the completed orders in completed section. And if you have too many orders in this section, then you can also search here to find that particular order of that customer and click on it. Then the order information will be shown to you. So you need so this customers or have given total pieces of 6 to for work, so you can deliver those pieces suits to customer, and the remaining payments is 2700. So receive it, and you can update the status to delivered and update it. So order summary will be shown here, and press OK if it's correct. Then that order is delivered to customer, and the delivered orders will you can see also delivered order here in delivered section. So this is the whole process of order management. And in order summary, there are 3 sections: daily, monthly, weekly. In monthly, when you click on monthly section, then the all of the orders which are delivered in this month, I mean 5/2020, these will be shown to you. So in May you have delivered total orders 1, and total bill is 1500. So this is the overview of the app. If you want to install the app, then link of the app is provided in video description below. You can just click on the link to install the app. And if you have any question or suggestion for the app, then you can contact us on email or WhatsApp. Our contact information is given in the video description below. Thank you for watching till end, and